Right here we have a Yuma 49cc mini quad. Just picked it up, but we got a problem with a no start issue. And also there is no pull start on this model. The only way you can start it is by electric start. But as you can see, we got some fixing to do.
That's for Mom.
My question is, does anybody know
You want me to do it?
because when I check the voltage of the battery drains red to red, black to black. Is it connected?
Yep.
And look at my voltage. Keep it on there, boo.
Okay.
So, what should the voltage be on this battery when it's fully charged? And is that the reason why I'm getting a no start issue? Please leave your comments on the comment section. Thank you.